Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out which one is the best app for quick photo editing by comparing Photoshop Express and Canva in 2025. If you're looking for the best quick photo editor in 2025 to boost your workflow, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Both Adobe Express and Canva are intuitive, web-based graphic design platforms designed to empower users, regardless of their design experience, to create captivating visuals. These platforms offer a versatile array of applications, from logos and banners to social media graphics, simple videos, email signatures, YouTube thumbnails, Canva logo maker, and digital art. Interestingly, despite Adobe's extensive range of desktop software products, such as Photoshop and Premiere Pro, Adobe Express is only available as a web or mobile app. Canva, on the other hand, provides a downloadable desktop version in addition to its mobile app. Adobe Express offers 3 plans. Free, $0 per month. Premium, $9.99 per month. Teams, $12.99 per user per month, minimum 2 users. To understand Canva pricing plans, consider that Canva provides 4 primary plans. Free, $0 per month. Pro, $15 per month. Canva Teams, $10 per month per user, minimum 3 users. Canva Enterprise, custom pricing. Both Adobe Express and Canva present users with well-organized dashboards offering easy access to templates, design creation tools, and recent projects. A handy Quick Actions tab in the Adobe Express interface allows swift access to frequently used design tasks. Canva offers a larger selection of design elements, including a broader range of royalty-free videos, charts, emojis, and animations. Canva boasts a significantly larger template library, with over 2.1 million on its free plan and over 3.8 million on its paid plans, compared to Adobe Express's 220,000 plus on paid plans, 155,000 plus on the free plan. Canva's vast collection suits almost every use case imaginable, while Adobe Express excels in funky designs with bold colors and graphics. Both Canva and Adobe Express grant access to vast libraries of royalty-free photos. Background removal is available on both platforms but is restricted to paid accounts. Adobe Express offers a more sophisticated background removal tool, including the ability to invert cutouts. Canva excels with its vast selection of customizable website designs, whereas Adobe Express offers limited web page themes. Both Canva and Adobe Express offer brand tools to maintain brand consistency across designs. These tools allow users to upload brand logos, define brand fonts and color palettes, and apply them to various design elements. Canva's collaboration features on its Canva Teams plan, including workspaces, team management, and design permissions, surpass Adobe Express's limited sharing options. That was a basic overview comparison between Canva and Adobe Express. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.